I heard you said you feel lonely. Nothing is right with that. Picking up pieces of something that doesn't matter.
Welcome back, guys, to the channel. Right, part 2 of Salvage restores. So last episode you saw me get as far as putting the rad pack together. This episode we've got a bit more going on. We're going to put the rad pack in, get this wing off, bolt the new wing on. Okay, I want to try and get the top section put back on, mounting the seat back in, etc. Okay, so there's a few bits I still can't get hold of, like the top crash bar and the side panels. They're proving a bit difficult. Okay, so I'm on the hunt for this. I want to get the bonnet put back on, get all this wiring sorted, etc. Okay, get the front back together. So I want to get this sprayed up, turned over as quickly as possible. We haven't got a lot to do, guys, so I reckon another 2 or 3 episodes I reckon we'll be done and get this out of the way, get the next one in. What do you think the next car should be? So I want to try and get something a bit meaty, a bit more sporty. I don't know, let you guys decide. So on to it, guys. Let's get this sorted out.
Prepare for war. What I'm missing is your kissing, but I know you want more. Said it all along, said it all along.
There's just you and me.
Waiting for the sun, waiting.
Okay, guys, rad pack's in now, as you saw in the time lapse. This bracket's good. I need to straighten it a little bit, okay? As long as it's not got a tear in the middle, which I haven't assessed yet. But yeah, I'm gonna try and reuse that. Like I said, a few bits that I can't get hold of, like this big crash bar that goes across there. But I will find it, okay? So now I'm gonna bolt that seat in, okay? And then we're gonna move on to the wing and try and get that done in this episode. Okay, guys? So yeah, that's it really. So just gonna wait for, I did manage to find a upper radiator panel. I'll show you exactly what I mean. This bit here, right? That's what I need. A lot of people will probably straighten out and use it, but I don't really wanna, because it will never do the same job twice. So yeah, I've got one of them on order. Bloody 60 quid. For one of them. It's only a bit of alley, but anyway, here's what it is. So I've got one of them. Once I'm going to show you where that was going to go. That's literally going to mount onto these plates here. The other one was mangled, so I need to get one of those. It will mount on top of that, and then you've got side panels that come up there and up there. So yeah, so that's basically it. Got my little helper here. Say hello. No, right.
Is that Sky?
No, you're on YouTube. Say hello.
Are you putting me on YouTube?
I will do. So yeah, that's basically it, guys. So next up is a slam panel and get that bar aligned. Okay, guys. So crash bar is provisionally on. It's the chassis legs are still loose because I need to adjust it because these 2 holes are not lining up properly. So I've got to make sure I get it in the middle, bolt that, straighten that bracket, bolt it back on. So it's just provisionally on. It looks a bit wonky, but that's because the chassis legs are loose. Once I bolt it all up, it will pull itself back straight because the radiator is on the tension mounts. So it's still all loose now, yeah, as you can see, right? So that was my main worry, that it wouldn't fit properly, but that's all good now. Right, so seat time. I'm gonna try and film this, guys, but I'm gonna put the tripod outside of the car because this ain't gonna work inside of the car. So sorry if you can't see it, but I'll do my best. Right, so I've positioned this the best I can. Seat's all loose at the moment, right? So literally there's 4 bolts, one on this side, one on that side, one on this side, one on that side. Okay, so I don't think I need to do a time lapse on this, guys, but it's literally just 4 bolts, bolt straight in, then the seat will be done. Yeah, it's going to take me a whole lot of 5 minutes to do. Okay, then we move on to the wing, guys. Okay, guys, as said, it was literally a 5-minute job. Seat in, bolted in nicely. There was 2 airbag connectors, all done, no issues. Onto the wing. Right, so previous video I started unbolting the wing, but I stopped because it was on the quick jacks. I need to take the bottom of the skirt a bit off because the wing, there's two bolts going underneath the skirt, right? So we're going to take the skirt off now, or part of it, and I've just got it held in with these two 10 mils here, and then the wing should just slide straight off, new one bolted straight on. Okay guys, so for this, I know I'll put you through a few time lapse last one, but this one's going to be a quick time lapse hopefully. So I've taken the end of the skirt off, right? Just bent it back a little bit, one bolt there, one bolt's off, whole wing should slide off shortly guys. So first of our parts that arrived, CLC wing, all good, right? Second-hand part, but very good condition, supplied by these guys here. Okay, next day delivery, very quick. Let's get this bolted on guys.
Do what you wanna do, say what you wanna say. I'll be right here.
Right, people, provisionally that's in. Still a bit loose, as I need to line it up once I put the skirt back on. Okay, so we're gonna move over to the bonnet. We go to the bonnet. Right, I'm gonna unpack this one, just wanna make sure it's the right bonnet. I'm gonna compare it with that. Probably try and line it up on the car, and then prep it for spraying. Okay guys, so thanks for watching. That's the end of another episode of Salvage Restores. Yeah, so things happen when you're rebuilding a car, or you know, restoring it, whatever you want to call it. We got the wrong bonnet, we got the wrong wing, all that's gone back. We got the right wing. Unfortunately, I'm having a nightmare finding a bonnet. It's too expensive to get from Mercedes. I'm trying to find a second-hand one, but most of the CLCs have had front end damage. So, you know, I don't want to say anything, but it's a bit of a woman's car, right? So anyway, so moving on. You're probably thinking, wow, I've got the Subaru in here. I'll put the CLC outside for a minute. A few bits that need attending to on this. Give you an update on this. It's got it's been performing beautifully after the pump's gone in. It's got a little bit of a header leak on the front near the up pipe. So I've got some aftermarket RCM headers coming. So I'm not going to mess around with trying to repair leaks. I'm going to take the whole header system down, put new headers in, new up pipe, give it a bit more turbo spool as well. So I'll be doing a video on that, just waiting for the headers to arrive. So I'm just greasing everything up, or lubricating everything, all the bolts up, and I'm going to drop the headers down. So yeah, I'm doing that in between. Yeah, so I'm still looking for a bonnet. I've found the upper crash bar, I've got that already, and the side panels, I've got that. The next video you're going to see now, I'm going to be repairing the bumper. So I'm going to assess it, see if it's repairable, and we'll take it from there. And yeah, that's it guys. So as always, thanks for watching, thanks for liking, please subscribe. Any questions you have, let me know. And please go and see my other videos. And again, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching guys, we'll see you in the next one.